Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Cities Skylines 2. So this is episode 2. Still not got a name for the city, but just give you an overview of what we did last time. So we did get into building some small residential areas, did put down some commercial over here, and then we did attempt some medium residential here, which I'm not happy with. I don't think I'm happy with any of the city actually, so today's episode is going to be kind of fixing what we did. Do some loads of terraforming, because this game from Cities Skylines 1 does need a lot of work in terms of terraforming first before you start building, which is one of the things that I learned from the first episode. And then over here is where we have our industrial area. Still quite small and compact, and it's doing the job that it needs to do. But yeah, we're going to detail some of this up as well. But as you can tell from the demand over here, we've got loads of demand for low residential, medium density and commercial demand. However, first I'm thinking of destroying everything from probably this point onwards. So let's see how this goes. So most likely that's destroyed all of our demand and our population gains that we made. Already destroyed 61 things, or 65 things, which is still going up because it's trying to play catch up. But yeah, what we need to do first of all is do some terraforming. That's the reason why I destroyed everything, because as you can tell from the contour lines, this is a slope that goes down. So what I want to do is level the terrain from here all the way. So I'll just right click on this bit and I'm going to terraform all the way to the end, this bit, so you can already see how much it slopes down. So should have done this in the first place, which obviously playing the game for the first time I didn't think to do, because I just thought I could just do it afterwards. But with this game, terraforming is at the forefront of everything that you do, so think about that when you build your city. Okay, so what I want to do as well is change the grid system from what we had before. So we're going to use this grid system in a sense. I think 112 was the magic number. It is 112, so we're going to do it this way instead. Because what I want to do is, actually, no, we don't want to do that. Just delete this. Promise people, this is not going to be an episode where I am just destroying things. So we're just not connected. So let me just fix that. Before we have any issues, right. What we are going to do is build some pathways in between. So 120 is what I'm going to try and see how we get along. So we do have gravel roads, alleys, pedestrian streets. Just want to see if we have anything to do with pathways. Maybe we don't. road services. We won't get into that tutorial yet because we're not there. It's lighting, street light fixtures on the road that do not already have them. Crosswalks, sidewalks. Okay. There are bridges, bridge, highway, intersections, roundabouts, parking spaces. Okay, so we don't have any actually. Let's try these roads then, these alleyways, because I want an alley going through this. I don't think that's straight either. So I want that to be 90, not 93 or anything. Okay, that's a 90. Cool. That's better. Now what I want is a pathway, alley, to go through here. Let's try that again. Okay. So the theme that I'm going to pick is North American here. I want to see how we can fix that zoning. Right, enough playing around. Let's try to zone this bit into medium density. So North American style, that's what I want. So let's be a bit fussy in terms of how we put this down. So let's do all of that. Let me just run the game. See our population decrease. Just want to see how these look first. And obviously I've done this wrong. Okay. I'm going to let theirs grow in, and then also I'm going to place them on this side. I'm thinking about here, if when we get the parking unlocked, we can put some parking down. What have I put there? Is that normal residential or? Okay, let me just build this area up as well. Just make sure that's a 90. That's a bit low, but I'm not too worried about that. Okay, let's see how that gets along. And then we've got commercial. This is what I want to come in as a main road, in a sense, to come into the city. So I'm just going to expand this to 200. Okay, and then we're going to carry on this grid system that we've got going. Don't want it to be a bit tighter, don't want it running. Okay, let's run this a bit tighter through there. Let's do 200, should be big enough. Wow, we've only got 52 population. Let's going to hurt, because what that's going to do is cause concern in the industry area because we haven't got enough people. So this is what I didn't want. I didn't want houses to be facing different directions. So because I put this road in the middle first, what it's done is it's placed all of these facing different directions. So yet again, I'm going to have to bombard some of this. You can select all of this stuff now and delete it all at once instead of doing it individually. Just check the... yeah, let me just do that, and that's fine. There's a demand for low residential, so beyond this is where we're going to have, up to here we're going to have all the medium residential in a sense. And then from here we're going to have low residential. Yeah, 90. I feel like with this one as well, this game, you have to be a bit more zoomed in terms of your city. A bit closer in terms of the detail that you're working on and how everything's shaping up. Right, I think I'm getting there with it now. Or the complexity of zoning stuff. So this one says not enough customers. Totally agree with you, mate, because we've not got enough people living here at the moment, which doesn't help us at all. So we've still got this issue over here in terms of the way it's creating that road. And I guess because it's the way I've done it, yeah. Just zoom in a little bit. Yeah, that gives me the right bits there that I need. So this is going to be low residential, so let's just do up to here, and then for that side, and do the same on this side to there. Some low residential in. What's going on here? I've got a patch that's not filled. That should do that. So to reach the next level, the milestones. So one small village, it's 2,500 XP points. So that's where we're trying to get to. Even though I'm destroying stuff whilst I'm doing that. And then some blues here all the way. These do look quite nice. I've tried to keep close to the commercial area, and then as you branch off towards this side of it, we're going to go to low residential, and then I'm thinking we have our kind of downtown area into here. That's my aim. So I'm trying to work through today, and whilst I'm doing that, I'm still trying to learn how to play the game. Let's pull this all the way through for now, and then we want this connection here to run through the back of it. Yep. To there. Let's snap that over here. Okay, we're getting somewhere now. So this is the medical clinic that we put down. We've still not put any education facilities down. I don't know if we've even opened schools, have we? No, medical centre, landfill. That's it for now. yeah, small villages when you get elementary school, so we're not even that far yet. Let's see what we do with this bit. Might put some trees down. Don't ask about trees, but they take time to grow, that's all I know. So we either place it individually or multiple. There's underground mode, and then snapping on and off, snap to the road, and depending on what theme you want, you can choose different ones. Aha, pedestrian pathways, that's what I wanted. Found it now. This is what we want to be, pedestrian pathways. Perfect, that's what I wanted. Get rid of that road. Come on. Maybe turn off snapping. There we go. Perfect. That's what I wanted, which is taking me forever to find and create. But yeah, let's do the trees now. See what trees we can put down. So they are pine trees. I think the which will grow quite tall, weren't they? So it might be good to put these down. Seeing if you can actually get these down or not. Both sides is massive. Got loads of demand for commercial, but that demand for residential has just gone off the cliff. So we've got no one that wants to move in. Yeah, I'm going to try to make it pedestrian friendly. So you will see me putting stuff down just to make it a bit more suitable for people to walk through. Turn on snapping. Made that connection there. And then we can actually put one here now. And that fixes your zoning. So if you do have zoning issues, maybe put a pathway down, because that will help to break everything up as well. One thing I do like is whenever something gets demolished, it does quite quickly rebuild stuff. One is there, but we want to run this one through the middle. Same here, run this through the middle. Okay, below the demand for residential again. So let's place some here. Do that first and then do that. Oh, that's medium residential, what low residential. Starting to rain, first time in our build. We are making progress with this build today, which is good. So let's just demolish these ones. And low residential, North American style. I think I prefer the North American buildings. I don't know, European residential looks nice. as well. I think depending on where we build, we might switch up the themes. Yay, milestone 2 unlocked, small village, congratulations, you're moving ahead very nicely. So 700,000, and we got 2 plus 2 on that, and 4 more tiles. So let's think about what we're going to use these for. So I was thinking, in terms of development points, I do want to unlock parking, which will take everything away from us now. Perfect. That's that spent. And let's have a look at what parking we have. So this tells us parking facility availability, so loads of parking there. Road conditions as well. So we're not generating any income at the moment, but what I was thinking, depending on how big these are, because these are humongous. I want to see if we get anything in there, but obviously not. Obviously not. So what I'm going to do is de-zone this bit here, because again that odd house building there that I don't want. That's zoned, isn't it? Yep. So parking was probably not a good idea to purchase, even though we could put something here, couldn't we? That's a bigger one, like. Okay, that one is quite big. So I don't think it will fit in there now, right? So that's a large, that's small, that's medium, that's large, and then very large. Okay, that's very large. Then underground car park building, which is massive. Okay, so this is the smallest one that we've got. So what we could do is place that there and pedestrian pathway around it. Double crossing there now, and then put some trees down. Man, I need to stop pressing the button. So individual ones, can we place those around here? Maybe let's get rid of this path, we don't need it. But people are already using the car park, which is good. Let's see if we do 100, how much we get built in there. And that's alright. Right at the entrance of when you come into the city, and then we put some more trees here. And these will grow over time. Says loads of demand for commercial still. So let's have a look what space we have for commercial. So commercial's going all the way up to here now. What does this actually look like? Doesn't look too bad. Okay. then that's doing okay. One patient, absolutely fine. That's medium, isn't it? It's medium residential, so let's pump that up. Oh, we've got small apartment buildings now as well. Let's try those on that side, see what they look like. Let's fill in this area here. And then let's expand this bit over here. So what do we do over here? Actually, yeah, we know what we're doing. So we're going to have that gap there for the pathway. 89, 90. Perfect. And let's try out that North American small apartment buildings here. I'll leave a gap of 4 on each side. See what they look like. Then what I want to do is fix that bit. See if I can fix the zoning on there. No, but what I might be able to do, one sec. So run this pathway through the middle. And that will give me it what I want. Cool. Okay, let's let them grow in that time. It's looking better already, which is good. Let's put some trees down here. Right, industry wants some attention. Let's go over here and expand our industry. Let me just check if this can be upgraded or not. So relocate's the only option and turn it off and on. So let me just go here. Small coal power plant. I think we're okay. Okay, picking that road. Just trying to zoom round, see if we left any gap through there. Will that destroy it all? It will indeed. So let's not do that. Let's build up this side. I do want to keep a gap. So let's go all the way up to here. We've got 90 degree. Let's do 184. It's complaining it's near water, so I've gone a bit too far. That's 90. Okay. Industry. Okay, let's see how that does with industry demand. Okay. These look okay. Quite happy with those there. So these hold 45 households. Wow. And I'm guessing what I mentioned before was, can we move this mill? Yes, we can relocate. Let's relocate it to here. We should have education. Yes, we do. Education. The city services provide citizens with schools, colleges and universities. Citizens' education affects their job position and income level. So, education level is separated to 5 levels, ranging from uneducated to highly educated. It's quite similar to before. An education powers citizens' schooling from the lowest level to the highest levels. To fill jobs that require low-level education, the city only needs to provide low-level schooling facilities. To provide employees for jobs with high education, citizens need the entire education path from lower to high education. Okay, similar to before then. So I'm thinking, do we pop this a bit back? Depends how much. Okay. Trial and error, people. Trial and error. So we are going to put this one. Let's run this way. We'll make the connection here. And then we'll place this here. Yep. Okay, let's have a look at this. Quite a nice building, quite a nice school. Quite fancy actually. Yeah, I like that. And then guessing you can upgrade it. So if you want to upgrade it, it's expanded it from the sides, which is fine. And then we've got the playground in the back. Might upgrade the playground in the back now because I think that looks quite nice there. Okay, that's our first education bit down as well. So here is a look of how our industry area is looking now. Quite a lot of expansion that I've done in this area. We could actually put some parking around here as well, to help people park up. So I'm going to put one in this corner because actually can we get a bigger one in that way? Yes, we can. And then do we have any other dead space? We could have put a big one here, couldn't we? A very large one, which wouldn't fit. That one would. It's just to help people that are working in this area actually find some suitable parking. So, unlocked milestone 3. It's a large village now. 800,000, 3 development points, and 5 more tiles. So, we're making loads of progress in this episode. Population increase, citizen happiness. Okay, loads of trucks coming in. Taking an interesting loop around for some reason. Even though that road does go straight. That's a 30 miles an hour road. And that's a 40. Maybe they want to look at the new school that we built. We could divert this traffic by having a connection in here. So maybe we do need to consider where we're going to put our fire stations now, don't we? We are still making a small loss. Yeah, we do have services now as well. So we're still not putting down any garbage, so that's been handled by our neighbours. But yeah, we need to put some police station down most likely, and fire station. So fire department responds to fires and accidents, prevents fires from spreading, and safeguards citizens against disasters. Make sure the roads stay clear and there's enough fire engines available and are able to extinguish multiple fires in succession before returning. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's think about where we're going to place this. It'd be odd to place it over there. Let's have a look. Okay, this is going to be our kind of commercial strip. So why not put that there and then put the police station right opposite on this side in the middle. Okay, so what I've done offline is quickly is actually let's just delete this road. Don't need that. I've expanded obviously our industrial area, put some parking down, but also what I've done is carried on this grid system that I created, so we do have pathways running between those. It's just because we've got loads of demand coming in for residential, so I do want to keep on top of it. Let's have a look at the zoning here. So we can zone some here. Let's get rid of that path there. Don't need that. Let's just help me with the zoning. This bit here. Let's see what's going on. Might de-zone that bit. Those two. Get rid of those. Then we'll keep building unless I de-zone it. Okay. So let me just look at this. So pathways all the way to get the zoning right. Same on that side. Let's put it in here. Okay. Man, we're still not making a profit. I feel like this game is harder to make a profit on. This one's still complaining on not enough customers. Even though we've expanded the city, we've already got 1,000 population, but yeah, still struggling. Here, right. Let's try to do this. So I think we're just going to have this kind of bit that we have near the end of the road where we don't have any buildings, just to help with the zoning. Shall we buy these tiles over here to carry on zoning our area up? So when do you actually get a specialized industries? Okay, so we have unlocked livestock is always available. So natural resources, so we can see here where livestock farming specialized can be set up anywhere to produce livestock. So we have different options available. I'm not going to drill into this today because we've got stone mining that's unlocked and livestock farming. So we could look at a tab for natural resources, industry, commercial, natural resources. Okay. So land fertility. So yellow is land fertile land, green is our wood, which is from before. Oil deposits are black. So we have got some oil deposits over here and here, and then ore is a mixture. So some over there, it looks like. No. Might be some here. Quite close actually, ore is. So we could do an ore industry over here as well. So I'm not going to do that yet. So medium density, loads of commercial interest. Okay, I am going to put down a hearse. I think that's the final thing that I'm going to do today, is manage our death care. So death care, each citizen will eventually pass away. Death care service exists to take care of deceased. So cemetery is the one. So build a cemetery, which is huge, absolutely huge. Cemetery is. Do I want a dedicated area over here for it? Can we flip it around? So let me just build off this road. Let's build off just here. And actually see if I can place it. Okay, we just need to terraform that a little bit there. So let's terraform this bit a little bit. I think that should be okay for it. Healthcare. Yep. Perfect. And then what we'll do is we'll wrap it with pathway around it. Not the best pathway when it's bent like that. And then we'll just put some trees around. Trees do take time to grow, so you're just gonna be patient with it. But yeah, happy the way that it's looking now. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there for today because we've made loads of progress in terms of milestones that we've achieved and reconfiguring everything that we did in the first episode. So did loads of terraforming. Let's get rid of this road, that's just random. We've massively expanded our industrial area. We've unlocked parking, which is getting utilised. Let me check this one out that we put down. Yeah, this is getting utilised. It's making a bit of money. Is it? 21 cars, 100% efficiency, 50 comfort. Should increase that to 20. Should increase 20 for all of them. So all these different sizes will vary the price that you have to pay for the upkeep. We could make this into a main road into this bit. Don't think we've got that much traffic to stress about at the moment. Another thing that we do need to put down is part of our road network. We do need to put down a road maintenance building, which is huge. Huge buildings that you have to plan in advance where you're going to put them. Why can't we put it the other way? Oh, we can, so we could do it that way. Right there. We could build it off this way, couldn't we? Yeah, we could. Next episode, people, we're going to work on this a little bit more. Loads of demand for low residential, which we could keep expanding. I'm just going to put some more down here whilst we have it, the demand, and then let's keep building this bit as well. And then we'll pop some more commercial here. Okay, cool. Thank you everyone for watching. If you do like the episode and how the city is looking, please hit that like button and subscribe button. Add some comments. Feedback goes a long way. Hopefully enjoying everything that I'm doing so far and learning some things as we develop this city. If no one puts a comment about what should name the city, I might just call it First City, which is what I called my first city in Cities Skylines 1. So thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.